We should have done that.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. As you can see, we're joyful here because we're always happy to have a member of the Morgan family on our show joining us. We love that. Today is none other than Jemere Morgan. Welcome, sir.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. I like it.
Another reggae royal family. Yeah. All right. So you're the son of, our friend and brother, Grams Morgan. So what is it like growing up with a father like Grams? Is it pressure? I mean, what's that pressure?
Yes.
What that? But tell us if it's more pressure or if it's more cool.
It's like a boot camp, but it's family. You know what I mean? Like, he's always trying to make sure we're doing the right things to be responsible adults and men and women. So he's always on top of all of his kids, making sure that we're walking the righteous paths.
Yeah,
man, big up daddy.
Big up daddy, I agree. Yeah, speaking of big up daddy, now you're following in the musical heritage of it all. You see what I did there, heritage?
I like that.
Thank you. So how would you describe your sound as the next generation of the Morgan heritage lineage?
I would say happy roots. You know, 'cause I'm a happy person all the time, pure soul. I make music to heal people.
Oh, I love that.
So that's our mission as a family. We're always representing healing people through reggae music.
Yeah.
It's the same mission I carry on and I love making music. I love making happy music. Because enough people are go through things, We've went through things before COVID, during COVID, and
still I go through it.
Still I go through it.
Still have trauma suffer, yeah.
People need healing music. We don't need party music all the time. It's good, but
Facts.
Me personally, I love making music to heal people.
I'll take it. I need it.
Stuff. Now,
Really?
aside from the heritage of your family, who would you say is your musical inspiration?
Aside from my family?
Aside from your family.
Chris Brown. Yeah, I love Chris Brown music. Romeo and Virgo.
Yeah.
Bears Hammond.
Yeah.
A guy named Gregory Porter. He sings jazz music.
Yeah, I know Gregory Porter. Yeah.
Gregory Porter. These are who are on my recent playlists. I listen to a lot. So yeah.
That's an eclectic mix.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Very diverse. I listen to all different type of music.
Love that.
Sometimes I even listen to instrumental, EDM or jazz, just to, when it's time to approach the music in the studio, you're not locked in a box now.
Yeah.
So by the time a producer say, boom, dim, dim, you're ready.
You're ready.
You get a freestyle kind of different.
I love
so
that. I think that sounds
opens up the
repetitive
ears.
because your mind open.
Definitely.
All right, so we are really, really excited because you have a new single that's out with Kabaka Pyramid and Sean Paul.
Yeah.
We featured the video last week, but we're going to play a little bit of it again.
Please don't drain my energy. I don't know your agenda, but you're invading my space. Too much mix up and blender. Please don't drain my energy. 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 Please don't drain my energy.
Is that right?
Yeah.
What was it like working with these two reggae giants on this track?
Boy, working with Kabaka is always a pleasure for me. We have the greatest chemistry. Me and him is Ruben, brothers, born the same month, April.
Oh, wow.
So your thing, time.
April when?
April 3rd.
Oh, my God.
Just passed,
Just passed. Happy birthday.
So I look out for my birthday gifts, all right?
You know what I mean? All right, let's
No, yeah, and then Sean Paul was a big surprise for me. Big up Damian Marley, the mastermind behind the record. He put together the collaboration and the pieces.
Nice.
And I walked into the studio and say, yo, you ready? And I said, ready for what?
Wow.
And then press play. And Sean Paul start the song.
Yeah.
Yo, Kabaka, Jemere. And I said, my name?
Oh, is there another
Yeah,
here?
like me. So, big up Dirty Paul for even supporting the next generation of reggae artists. And
Yeah, man.
yeah, he didn't have to,
Yeah.
So,
He does that though.
yeah, big support for a lot.
Man. Yeah, man, he's there.
Yeah.
He's there for real. And the song bad.
Give thanks.
Nice.
The song,
Like a man.
And the hook nice.
We try and make it the summer of the anthem summer,
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so tell us now, when will we get a chance to see you perform a set in Jamaica though?
Yo, I've been asked that so many times this week. I need to. So any
Yeah.
promoters, any event coordinators out there, I'm ready to work. I haven't got the chance to do any performances. Yeah, I've done recent performances with family. Where we done a couple of Appleton events, but I haven't got a chance as Jemere to present myself. So, but now is the time.
Yeah, we're here.
We're here.
You know, right here. So I believe I'm looking at the audience and I'm seeing some family here.
Yes.
Come
here.
Sirs, come here, sir.
Come here.
Sirs.
Come in,
sir.
what are you going to
They're like, no, we're not for the camera. We're not for the camera. Come here. Who are they? They're family, brothers, cousins.
So this is Raya.
Come right here.
This is the son of
Bless
Peter
up,
Morgan.
bless up, my G. Bless up.
Okay.
And this is
Hello, sir. How are you? This is Royal.
Raya. This is the son of Peter Morgan, the first son of Peter Morgan.
Hi.
And that's Laza Morgan, son, Latamed from
What you
LMS.
say?
Yeah, from LMS.
Oh, yeah.
Blessings, man.
You can catch
Blessings,
money. I stay with the rest of the
Next
show.
gen.
Also, they're all musicians too.
He's a musician and he does business.
Well, he
like
says no so
construction.
strong. No.
Believe me.
Like, no, not me,
It
man.
can't help it.
Not
It
me.
can't help but be. But Jemere, tell us how we can find you on social media. Anybody looking for you?
You can find me on social media at my name, Jemere Morgan, Jemere Morgan, on all platforms, on Apple Music. Check out the music.
Awesome.
And tell us again the name of that new song.
It's Energy.
Energy
remix.
Love that.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so
Thanks
much for
for
joining us. Thank you guys for coming up too. We
I love
appreciate
it.
that. Stay right here, hang out with us.
Yeah.
Man. Thank you guys so much for watching as well.
Yeah, please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow with much more buzz, vibe, and
Games.
Her favorite.
Slaughtering everybody now.
Yeah, so
Stay
stay
safe.
safe.
Love you guys. See you tomorrow.